Hello everyone. This worksheet 3 is related to standard form of rational number. Means you have to convert the rational number in the form of standard form. So, rational number is in the form of P by Q. Standard form में ये तभी होगा if Q is positive. If Q is positive means the denominator should be positive. This you have to remember. And P and Q integers have HCF as 1. HCF as 1 means numerator and denominator में जो highest common factor है that should come as 1. Basically these type of question which you have to convert it in standard form, आप यहाँ पे cancel कर रहे हैं. Okay, you are converting it in the standard form by doing the cancellation. But remember, the Q should be, this Q should be positive. Q should be positive. ये आपको ध्यान रखना है. अब फर्स्ट पार्ट आप देखें, डिनोमिनेटर और द Q इज पॉजिटिव हियर. Q इज पॉजिटिव, तो हम यहाँ पर वी विल टेक द नेक्स्ट स्टेप. 33 and 7, what is the common with which you can divide or you can cancel the both of them? It would be cancelled with 11, both of them. Means आप cancellation कर रहे हैं. So 33 and 77, you are cancelling it or you are dividing both of them with 11. बेसिकली आपको ये नंबर सोचना है जिससे ये दोनों टर्म आपकी कैंसिल हो जाए. तो इट वुड बी 3/7. So in this case 3/7 is in the standard form. So 33/77 को हमने स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर दिया बाय 3/7. Look at the second part. As I have told it, the Q part or the denominator should be positive. So how will you make it positive? बताइए कैसे पॉजिटिव बनाएंगे. आप न्यूमरेटर चाहे नेगेटिव हो जाए बट द डिनोमिनेटर शुड बी पॉजिटिव. सो यू विल मल्टीप्लाई इट विथ -1. ठीक है, डिनोमिनेटर को भी -1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया एंड न्यूमरेटर को भी. So this is coming as -64 upon -20 into -1 would be 20. अब आप -64 upon 20 को स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट करेंगे. So can you think over with which number you will divide it? You can divide it with 4. दोनों में हाईएस्ट नंबर आपको देखना है. So if you will do the division with 4, 64 divided by 4, what answer you will get it? You will be getting 16 minus 16 because minus sign is there, and 20 divided by 4 you would be getting 5. आप इसको 2 से भी डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे फिर आपको एक स्टेप और करना पड़ेगा. तो -6 and 5, क्या हम इसको फर्दर डिवाइड कर सकते हैं किसी नंबर से? बोथ नंबर शुड बी विद द सेम डिजिट. क्या ये कैंसिल हो सकता है? नो, बिकॉज इन 16 and 5 द हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर इज 1. So this is the answer. Similarly, third part again you will see the denominator is negative. तो हम सबसे पहले क्या करेंगे? We will make denominator as positive. तो positive कैसे बनेगा? Multiply it with -1. अब डिनोमिनेटर में -1 से मल्टीप्लाई किया है तो न्यूमरेटर भी -1 से मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So it would be coming as 27, minus will become plus, and the denominator would also come as 15. What should be next step now? अब ये दोनों टर्म किससे कैंसिल हो रही है? What is the common term in between? So both with you can divide it with 3. 3 से डिवाइड हो रहा है. तो 3 से अगर आप डिवाइड करते हैं तो इट वुड बी कमिंग एज 9/5। अब 9/5 क्या ये किसी और टर्म से कैंसिल हो रहा है और सम कॉमन फैक्टर इन इट? नो, except 1 it doesn't have any other highest common factor, so this would be the answer. I hope this question is clear to all of you. Now come to question 2. In question 2, find x such that rational numbers become equivalent. Now see this part, equivalent is related to equal. तो हमें यहाँ पे x की वैल्यू निकालनी है such that both the rational numbers should be equivalent. तो equivalent कब होंगे? If 9/-5 equal x/10. Okay, so you will put the equal sign. अब how to find out the value of x? By doing the cross multiplication. I think this step is you must be knowing about it. So you will multiply 9 multiply 10 equal -5 multiply x. So how to find out this x value? अब x कैसे निकालेंगे? So x would be 9 multiply 10 upon -5. ये जो -5 है x के साथ जो नंबर लिखा है that will go in the denominator. Now what should be next step? क्या स्टेप होगा? You will cancel it. तो ये 5 and this 2. So x equal 18 upon what it should be? -1. 18 upon -1, or if you have to write it in proper standard form, make sure the denominator should not be negative. तो आप क्या करेंगे? -1 से ऊपर नीचे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So x would come as -18 upon 1. So no need to write 1. If you don't want to write, you can leave this one. So x value is 18 here. This is the answer. So it's very easy. For equivalent, put the equal sign, then do the cross multiplication and find the value of x. Come to the next part. Similarly, in this part, these two are equivalent. When it will be equivalent? If both of them are equal. अब अगर आप यहाँ देखें, this is only 2, so you will write it 2/1. 2 को हम 2/1 भी लिख सकते हैं. Similarly, in fourth part also, you can write -13/1. Okay, this you can write it yourself. Now we will go for the question. So equivalent if 36/x equal 2/1. Okay, so how will you do the next step? You will do the cross multiplication. So 2 multiply x equal 36 multiply 1. So x would be, ये जो टर्म है x के साथ, this will go in the denominator, or we can say वो divide हो जाएगा. So 2 आ गया, you will take it in the denominator. Now cancel it, it will be 18. So x value is 18 multiply 1 would be 18. It's quite easy. Similarly, in fourth part. In fourth part, this is equivalent if x/6 equal -13/1. Same procedure we will follow. हम क्या करेंगे? क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. तो x multiply 1 equal -13 multiply 6. तो अब हमें x की वैल्यू निकालनी है. तो x के साथ जो टर्म है that will come in the denominator. तो upon 1 आ जाएगा. तो hardly makes any difference अगर हम 1 लिखें या ना लिखें. तो x will be -78. So this is the answer. I hope these questions are clear to all of you. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.